So here we've got this array called numbers, and it has 1, 2, and 3 in it. And what we want is another array that has the double values, so 2, 4, and 6. We can do this pretty quickly because this is an array, and JavaScript has a built-in method called map that you can do on all arrays. And so what map does is it takes in another function which will be ran on each individual item of this array, and then returns a new array with the results. So let's get started with that. So let's take numbers, we're going to map on it, and then here you can see that it takes some callback function. And so with that function, we want to do is we'll just name it something here. We'll call it times 2. And so let's write what this times 2 function is. So times 2 is a function that'll take a number and it will return that number times 2. So let's store this value as a result. And let's console log this just to make sure it works. And so if we did everything properly, this should log out kind of the expected result here, and we will verify it by running it in our console here in Chrome. Boom, that should have worked.